Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you just watch me, subscribe my channel YouTube and follow me this page and share the video to all your friends that are interested to learn Arabic from A to Z. So let's go. Today we have a new letters with the first movement fatha. Okay, then bring your notebook and your pencil and then go ahead. What is the name of this letter? Okay, this is called na. 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 Open your mouth and pronounce it. Na. Write down this 4 or 3 times. Repeat after me. Na. Na. The next one, this. This is called ha. Ha. Write down this. Ha. Ha. If you don't know how to write down ha, you can return to our last videos in the first maybe 6 or 7 episode, because I teach you how to write down this perfectly. So ha, the first one na, and then ha. I'm gonna give you a food for thought for the next class. This one. Tell me the name of this one and let me know in the comment below, and see you at the next class. Bye bye.